Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Cat Can Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw UML activity diagram. This video is a companion for my UML activity diagram cheat sheet. If you think these type of videos are useful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that make it easier for you to view the next useful videos. Thank you. So on the left side of the cheat sheet, you can see the essential elements in a UML activity diagram. The initial node indicate the beginning of a process or workflow. The activity node showing the activity. The decision node showing the control flow for redirecting the flow of your process. The flow end node to indicate the end of a particular flow. The end node so the ending of all the flows. And for showing the direction of the flow, I have the control flow, which is an arrow connecting the activities. The joint flows helping you to connect two concurrent activities to one single activity. The fork flow connecting one single activity to two concurrent activities. So let's see these elements used in an example on the right side of the cheat sheet. This is my example using the elements that I have shown for an online shopping checkout process. And you can see that at the beginning there is the initial node for the process, and then it will take you to the first activity, enter shipment information. After that, it will take you to the decision node to check whether the enter address is valid. If the answer is no, it will go to the end node to end the entire process. Otherwise, if the address is valid, it will go to the next activity node called enter payment details. And then from here, I will use the fork flows to connect this single enter payment detail activity to two concurrent activities, validate payment and update inventory. After that, I use the join flows to connect these two concurrent activities, validate payment and update inventory to the final checkout activity. From the final checkout activity, I will go to the decision node to check whether the payment has been approved. If the answer is no, I will show the arrow through the activity node, show arrow, and I will take the user to the end node to end the process. Otherwise, if the payment is approved, I will take the user to the generate receipt node and then send confirmation email node. After that, I will take the user to the end node to end all the flows. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it is helpful for you, especially if you are software engineer, AI engineer, data engineer who want to build software and need to have a way to communicate the activity of your process with the user. So this is a great tool. Hope to see you in the next video that gonna be useful for your career, for your jobs. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel to make it easier for you to view the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.